Get ready because we're about to dive into Rippily and talk about how to manage our guest in our room. Hi, my name's Peggy McCartha, and I am excited to be back today and talk to you about more cool things in Rippily. So, we're going to talk about managing our guest. So, the way you can see who's in your room is over on your sidebar. Next to the chat, you'll see people, and it's listed who is in the room. Now, in Rippily, you can have people in your room with you that can talk, open up their mic, turn on their video, all of that. Or you can have them in the gallery, which is more of like a webinar style. So I'm going to show you how to move people back and forth and things like that. So let's take Solara here and move her to the gallery. So you see here, participants means who are the people that are in your room, and gallery are the people that are watching. They can't talk. They can put things in the chat, but they can't talk. You won't be able to hear them or see them, but they're right there in the gallery. So we're going to move Merrick over to the gallery as well. So right now, I'm in the room by myself. I'm the only one that can talk. But again, I can bring them right back by inviting them to a seat. So that's how you move your guest from your main room to the gallery. It's definitely worth mentioning that if you have 3 drops or 3 seats in your room and 4 people come, that fourth person is automatically going to be put in the gallery. So you can set up your room to have no drops or no seats, and everybody will automatically go into the gallery. If you don't want anybody to automatically come into your room, you want people to automatically go into the gallery, then what you would do is set up all of your seats to be speaker seats. And again, I showed you how to do that in the Quiet Your Room video. You set up all of your drops to be speaker drops, and then everybody's going to be put into the gallery, and then you can just pull in whoever you want. So that's a good thing to know as far as when you're managing your room, how you can use those, the gallery and the drops and everything, to let the people in that you want and not the others, and control the crowd that way. So what do you do if you have someone in the room that you don't want in the room? Maybe they're being distractive. Maybe they're just sitting there and they're not responding, and you're not sure if they're there or not, and you want to talk about things that don't involve them, and you just don't want a random person sitting in your room. What do you do? Well, let me just show you. It is very, very easy. Same thing, right click on that and remove from Rippily. And Merrick, you got to go too. It's just that simple. That's how you manage your guest. I hope that this was very helpful, and I can't wait to see you next time.